Design of data center. Role of a data center. 1. Data storage, management, backup, and recovery. 2. Productivity applications, such as email. 3. High-volume e-commerce transactions. 4. Powering online gaming communities. 5. Big data, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Cooling. Cooling a rack server is easier than most others. They are usually equipped with internal fans and placing them in a rack increases airflow. Light standards in accordance to ANSI/TIA 942A. CRAC equipment layout. Standards. Environmental specifications. OSHRI 2019, HVAC applications. Ventilation. OSHRI 2019 Standard 62.1. Thermal guidelines. OSHRI 2016 TC 9.9 Data Center Power Equipment Thermal Guidelines and Best Practices. Air filtration. OSHRI 2017 Standard 52.2. Lights. ANSI/TIA 942A, the American Standards National Institute. End of the program. We hope that this program has helped you in understanding the design elements of a data center. Thank you for being a part of this learning process.